Today we're in Walcott, Iowa, and let me ask you a question. Have you ever pulled off the interstate for what you thought would be a quick stop, only to find yourself spending over an hour exploring? At first glance, this place doesn't look all that unusual, but the closer you get, the more you realize this isn't your average roadside stop. There are rows upon rows of semi-trucks and a building that's so big it almost feels like its own shopping center. So what exactly is this place? Well, this is Iowa 80, and this is the largest truck stop in the world. Iowa 80 Truck Stop has been serving travelers and professional drivers since 1964. What started as a single standard oil station has grown into an incredible destination covering more than 220 acres. There are hundreds of parking spaces for semi-trucks, stretching as far as you can see. Interstate 80 is one of America's busiest highways, stretching over 2,900 miles from California all the way to New Jersey. So Iowa 80 sits in the perfect location for cross-country travelers. Let's go take a look inside. It's actually like walking into a shopping mall. The building itself covers over 100,000 square feet, and there's something interesting around almost every corner. Sure, you'll find all the usual road trip essentials, but then you quickly realize this place offers so much more. There are gift shops filled with Iowa souvenirs. And I think I found a great souvenir. Clothing, collectibles, travel gear, snacks, toys, and just about anything you could imagine needing on the road. Well. I get so tired walking around here, I need a place to sit right here. Hello. One of the most impressive sections is the enormous super truck showroom. There's even a full-size semi-truck and its trailer right in here, right in the place. That goes on with this beautiful decorated trailer. If you've never seen a chrome shop before, this is where truck drivers customize their rigs. Shelves are packed with polished chrome accessories, lighting, steering wheels, interior upgrades, electronics, and enough truck parts to keep anyone busy for hours. Some of these trucks are works of art, and this store helps drivers personalize them to reflect their own style. Iowa 80 is designed to be a home away from home for the thousands of professional drivers who stop here every week. If you've ever been on the road for days, or even weeks, you can take a hot shower in one of the private shower suites. Do a load of laundry. Get a fresh haircut at the barber shop. Or even visit the dentist. All without leaving the property. Need a little time to unwind? There's a movie theater where drivers can relax and catch a film before getting back behind the wheel. There's also a quiet chapel for anyone looking for a place to pray or reflect. Of course, after spending some time shopping, you're probably going to get hungry. Iowa 80 has multiple dining options all under one roof. Whatever you want, there are plenty of choices available. the longtime favorites here is the Iowa 80 Kitchen. It's open around the clock and serves classic Midwestern comfort food. It's buffet style, offering plenty of choices that will surely hit the spot after a long day on the road. Another thing that's great about this place was just how clean and well maintained everything is. With thousands of people passing through every single day, you might expect things to feel crowded or worn down. Instead, everything feels organized, clean, and surprisingly welcoming. Another area that's definitely worth visiting is the Trucking Museum. Admission is completely free, and it tells the story of how trucking helped build America. Inside, you'll find beautifully restored antique trucks dating back decades, along with vintage gas pumps, old signs, photographs, and fascinating displays showing how commercial trucking has evolved over the years. Some of these trucks are incredibly rare. And have been restored to look like they just rolled off the assembly line. Even if you're not especially interested in trucks, it's still a fascinating walk through transportation history.
And I found the cutest truck here, right here.
And look at this, a 1939 police vehicle. Well, that's our tour of the world's largest truck stop here in Iowa. I honestly didn't expect to spend this much time exploring a truck stop. But this place turned out to be far more interesting than I imagined. If you've ever stopped here before, let me know what your favorite part was in the comments. And if you're planning a road trip across I-80, I definitely recommend adding Iowa 80 to your itinerary. If you enjoyed the tour, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe for more travel adventures.
Well, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.